9 easy steps on how to book home service professionals on ServHub website. Step 1. Sign up. Create your account in seconds using your email or phone number. Simple and secure. Step 2. Select a location. Select your location to access services near you. ServHub is location-based for faster service. Step 3. Select a service. Who do you want to hire? The ServHub app has over 40 different home services, from plumber services to home cleaning to home tutors, etc. Step 4. Check out the description of the selected service. Explore the details, requirements, and other things you need to know about the selected service. Step 5. Add to cart. Found the services you need? Tap Add to Cart to proceed to checkout. Step 6. Check out your service booking details. Go through your booking billing summary to confirm the amount, location, etc. Step 7. Confirm your order before checkout. Double-check your cart and order details to make sure everything is correct. Step 8. Select payment method. Choose how you want to pay. ServHub Pay for fast in-app payment. Pay after service if you prefer paying after the job is done. Step 9. Make payment. Get ready to check out. Review your total and continue to secure payment. Start booking now at www.servhubapp.com.